Hello, and welcome to our video series on how to edit and update your directory listing on the Bridal Association websites. Now, of course, there's thebestweddings.com, the local Kern County Bridal Association, Bridal Association of America.com for national members, and Ventura County Bridal Association, along with other chapters. All right, so this is the way our directory listing looks in the beginning. No information, no anything. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and log into our account. We've already done that in the interest of time. And it says welcome back. And this here is some blog information. You may want to keep track of it because we do update it now and again with new information on things that are going on. Scroll down to modify your directory listing. When you click on that, it's going to go ahead and take you to the page of your directory listing. Now we've already put our domain name in here, so we have a link to our website. You do want to make sure you want the whole domain, http:// so on and so forth of your website. Okay. Now, your logo URL. What is that? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find an image. In this case, we want to go ahead and use the logo from the association. If you right-click on any image, and it can be on your website or on a free hosting site like Flickr or any of those out there where they host images for free, you want to right-click, click on View Image. Now this takes you to the image itself in full size. You want to copy the URL, which is this address here. This is where the image resides on the internet. The whole address. Right-click, copy to your clipboard. Let's go ahead and go back to the page. And in logo URL, you want to just paste it right there. Simple as that. Make sure the whole thing is there. http:// so on and so forth. Let's go ahead and update our listing. It reloads the same page. Let's go back to our listing and refresh this page. And there it is. That's the logo URL. Now, if your image is not square or something will fit inside of a square, it's going to get squished. It is 82 pixels by 82 pixels. Okay? And you want to keep it small in size so it looks good. Alright, so let's go back here again. And let's add some information to our website, to our listing. Here's our description. In the interest of time, we're going to add a couple things. We're going to go ahead and go here and copy something we've already written. Right click, copy, go back to our page, right click, paste. Now you could write it from scratch if you like or anything like that, but like I said, in the interest of time, we went ahead and just copy and pasted it right in there. There's our information. Let's update the listing. Let's go back to the page. Let's refresh. There's our information. And because the URL is put in there, that links directly to our website. But we need some more. We need an image or something to make it look nice. So let's go back to our site. Let's see if we have an image that we want to use. Not really sure what we have here, but let's go ahead and pick this here. Free wedding screensaver. Let's right click. Click on View Image, as we did before, so there's the image. Let's go to the URL. Here's the URL of the image. Again, http://www.website, so on and so forth. Right-click, copy. Now this is going to be a little bit different. Let's go ahead and go right here to our site. And let's go ahead and put that at the end of the information. So we're going to hit Enter and go to the next line. Okay, and we want to put in here a greater than img for image space src, which equals source, equals, and then we're going to paste in our code. And this is the location of the image, and then end. Simple as that. Now, right now, there's no other code in this listing. So it's just going to automatically show up at the end of this line. Let's go ahead and update it just to see what it looks like. Update. Over here. Refresh. And there it is. See how it showed up at the end of the line? That doesn't really look very well because of the open space here. So let's go back and edit our directory listing a little bit. Okay. Go down to the image. To add a paragraph break, it's bracket P bracket. Let's do that real quick. Update over here. refresh. Now it's a paragraph. You have the space between it. If we don't want a space, let's go back. Let's update this real quick here. Let's go back here and change that from a P, which stands for paragraph, to a BR. Take that P out, BR, and you still leave the brackets. That's a line break. Update. Here, refresh. Now it's directly the next line. So there's lots of things you can do. If you know HTML, you can actually make it look very nice. I'll show you one to give you an idea. Photographers are great at this, and so are DJs. Let's see here, photography. And there's one of what you can do. Abby's Photography, Artisan, CD Graphics, Crystaller with just some information. Here's somebody who actually has both a link, information, their phone number, and a little slideshow. And that came from PhotoBucket, another free site for hosting images. Glimpses of Life, PhotoPro, Jen Will has information. So you can do a lot of things to make your listing look great and attract more attention to your business, and thereby, booking more weddings. Anyways, that is today's lesson on how to update your listing. We'll add some more information as we can get to it. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to give the association a call at 1-800-200-9935. And again, thank you for being a member of the Bridal Association.